Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. This is Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. Friends, in my previous session, I discussed with you about the change of person in direct and indirect speech. Now I am going to discuss with you a few questions with the help of which you will understand the rule change of person very well. But friends, before discussing with you the examples, I would like to discuss with you a few more things which are necessary to be discussed by me. Friends, here I have written say oblique sage oblique said plus 2 is changed into tale oblique tales oblique told. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, we have to keep it in mind that if there is an object after a reporting verb and the reporting verb is say, says, said, there will be a preposition to between the reporting verb and the object. Then we change it into tale, tales or told. Say to plus object is changed into tale plus object. Sage to plus object is changed into tales plus object. Said to plus object is changed into told plus object. But we use told in past tense. So here we will use only say, sage, and we will change it into tale, tales. Friends, as I have written a sentence as an example of direct speech, the sentence is my father says to me you are a good boy. मेरे पिताजी मुझसे कहते हैं तुम एक अच्छे लड़के हो. Here we notice that as the reporting verb sage is used and as the object me is used, and between sage and me there is a preposition to. In case of say, sage, said and an object with it, we use a preposition to between them. In this case, we have to change it into tells. Okay friends, between inverted commas there is a sentence you are a good boy. This sentence is an assertive sentence and there is also a comma before the sentence you are a good boy. And before comma there is a sentence my father says to me. So we find that here are two sentences. My father says to me and you are a good boy. So in case of assertive sentence between inverted commas, we use that by removing the inverted commas. As the indirect speech of the above example, indirect speech, my father tells me that I am a good boy. Here there is change in the person of the reported speech and sage to has been changed into tells. There is also another change in this sentence, that is the comma and inverted commas have been removed. Friends, the second example of direct speech that I have taken here is Sita says to Geeta, I am your best friend. सीता गीता से कहती है मैं तुम्हारा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त हूँ या मैं तुम्हारी सबसे अच्छी सहेली हूँ. Now we have to change it into indirect speech. What changes will come here? First of all, we see that here sage to is used after Sita and before Geeta. So in place of says to, we will use tells. Sita tells Gita. This change has been taken place, or this change has taken place in the reporting part. The part of reporting verb is also known as reporting part, and in this part we have changed says to into tells. Now we have to change in the part of reported speech. We will remove comma and inverted commas. Thereafter we see that the first person I will be changed according to the subject Sita, so it will change into she. But before it we will use that. Here second person your is used, and as I have already discussed with you that the second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb, and that is Gita. So according to Gita, your will be changed into her. So the sentence as the indirect speech of the above sentence, Sita says to Gita, I am your best friend, is Sita tells Gita that she is her best friend. So friend, now you can take its screenshot. Friends, I have taken the third example of direct speech here. That is, I say to Meera, I am your best friend because I am always ready for you. I am always ready for you. It means मैं मीरा से कहता हूँ मैं तुम्हारा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त हूँ क्योंकि मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे लिए तैयार रहता हूँ, या मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे लिए तैयार रहती हूँ. Here I may also be used for a feminine gender. That's why I may also denote a girl here. Say to will also be changed as tell in indirect speech. Friends, as the indirect speech of the above sentence, indirect speech is I tell Meera that I am her best friend because I am always ready for her. मैं मीरा से कहता हूँ या मैं मीरा से कहती हूँ कि मैं उसका सबसे अच्छा दोस्त हूँ या मैं उसकी सबसे अच्छी सहेली हूँ क्योंकि मैं हमेशा उसके लिए तैयार रहती हूँ या तैयार रहता हूँ. So friends, here we notice that I has not been changed into another person because the subject of the reporting verb is also I, and I have already discussed that the first person changes according to the subject of the reporting verb, and the subject of the reporting verb is also I. That's why I has not been changed, or we can say that I has been changed into I. So the next change that we notice here is her. In direct speech we have used your, but in indirect speech we have used her because the second person changes according to the object of the reporting verb. Meera is the object of the reporting verb say, and according to this object we have changed your into her. Here in place of you, her is used because you is also the second person, and according to the rule we have to change the second person according to the object of the reporting verb. Friends, we have to keep it in mind that the case does not change. The person changes, but the case of the person does not change. For example, here you is the objective case, and here her is also the objective case, her is also in the objective case, you is in the objective case, and her is also in the objective case. Here I is in the nominative case, and here also I is in the nominative case. Here your is in the possessive case, and here her is also in the possessive case. So friends, person will change, but case of the person will not change. Now you can take its screenshot. Friends, as the fourth example of direct speech, I have taken a sentence that is, my friends say to me, you are not our best friend because you do not help us. मेरे दोस्त लोग मुझसे कहते हैं तुम हमारे अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हो क्योंकि तुम हमारी मदद नहीं करते हो. We have to change this sentence into indirect speech. As per the rule, we will change say to into tell. So, as the first part of the sentence, I have written my friends tell me, and the indirect speech of the above sentence, indirect speech, is my friends tell me that I am not their best friend because I don't help them. Because I don't help them. So friends, now we can observe easily what type of changes are taking place while changing sentences from direct speech into indirect speech under the first rule, change of person. There are some other changes also, like says to, say to, says to, said to is changed into tell, tells, told. That is the other change besides the change of person. Now you can take its a screenshot, and with the fourth question under change of person, I am ending this session, and I suggest you and also request you to like it, comment it, and share it to your friends, as well as download MPS motivators by going to Play Store if you like my video. So thank you. Have a nice day.